Good evening and welcome back to Be Rich. Today I wanted to discuss about Elon Musk's tweet and his recent actions. My good friend Anish Gupta is with me. He does not feel it's very interesting or stimulating. But that's what everybody in the market is talking about at this point of time. What Tesla's tweets were basically this that first he said, those who do not want to come to office and work can leave the company. Tesla has about 100,000 people working, and there will be some amount of people who will refuse to come to office and work. This means he's going to kick them out without severance pay. Along with that, in another tweet, he has said that there are too many people working in Tesla and there has to be a hiring freeze. But in LinkedIn, till he made this announcement, they were looking for people to recruit in engineering, especially, and artificial and machine learning. So he has announced an hiring freeze, and he has said people who do not want to come to office to work need not bother to come. So basically, he's laying off people without paying them severance fee.
But he also says that people should stop pretending to work and join where they allow people to pretend to work.
So what's he saying? Second, people are saying that even though sales are robust today for Tesla cars, over a period of time he is facing issues in Shanghai. He will have issues in America also, and therefore he expects a strong recession. And because of deep recession, he doesn't want to be caught on the back foot. He wants to lay off stops up front. This is what they feel. And Joe Biden has also joined into the fray. And Joe Biden in turn tells Elon Musk, you please concentrate on sending people to the moon and Mars rather than worrying about the economy. But all jokes apart, what is happening in the American economy? Which of these two people are right? And there seems to be no slowdown in jobs growth. May numbers were very strong. These salaries are going up, wages are going up, though not as fast as inflation. There are now two camps in America. One camp, which is the Musk camp, which says that there is going to be a big recession, and without that big recession, the Fed cannot engineer a reversal of inflation. The other camp says there are already signals there which show that the economy is slowing down. There is going to be a soft landing, and Fed need not increase beyond 3%, and the real rate will be zero. Which camp are you in, and why, if I may ask?
So the American economy does not look like stopping. I think so. The Fed has already missed the train and it has left it too far for the inflation to catch up. And I don't think so. The economy in America is slowing down. And what Musk is doing is really confusing. If he is feeling there is recession, then why is he paying such a high price to buy Twitter? And he's pledging his stock and doing on leverage. Very well, he knows a bit of economics and saying recession will last. His Tesla stock also would fall, and his cost of capital, which is using to buy Twitter, will also have a huge impact. I don't know then what is he thinking? What kind of crazy nut he is?
So basically, what you are trying to say is that Elon Musk is confused. But did you see on this day, when he is backing out of Twitter, the US Antitrust Department, which is basically their competition commission, is now saying that is all clear and Twitter can be sold to Elon Musk. Do you think he'll go through with this deal? Elon Musk will buy Twitter?
I don't.
And because I'll tell you why so. After he has announced that he'll buy Twitter, Tesla has been a free fall, and yesterday Tesla fell 8%. Day before it went up 8%, it's now 8% down. Tesla is down nearly 45 to 50% from its top. Maybe I'm wrong on percentages, but not by much. Say 35 to 50% in the range. So the amount of stock he has to pledge to buy Twitter is going up all the time. And if he is right, and there's a big recession, and Tesla collapses another 50% from here, then he'll be forced to sell.
So he will neither have Tesla, neither Twitter.
So he will neither have Tesla nor Twitter, and he may lose SpaceX. So this is because the whole thing is bit on leverage. He has already taken loan against his holding of Tesla to finance SpaceX. So where do you think, what is he doing?
No, and I don't think so. People at Twitter also would be happy after what he has tweeted yesterday. And with this kind of attitude, in these kind of high-tech companies where the attitude which Musk is showing, I don't know whether how many people would still hang on to Twitter and whether Twitter would exist if Musk takes over like this in his confused state and a bizarre, he will make decisions in a spur of moment without thinking through.
But it is very interesting what Charlie Munger told about him. So somebody asked him about Tesla. He said, I will neither buy Tesla nor will I sell it short. So they asked him why. He says, Elon Musk is a man who always overestimates himself. And he has been right at times, wrong at times. Right more times than wrong. So he says, never short a man who overestimates all the time, because you don't know when he may be right. What is he telling us? That Tesla will succeed or Tesla will not succeed?
So what Charlie Munger is saying is, I think so, cynicism and sarcasm on he's taking a shot at Musk.
Hmm.
So surely by every time you cannot be right by overestimating. So sometime it has to give in. And this can, when the Fed pulls the plug, he can go wrong very wildly.
So how long do you think the Fed will wait before it pulls the plug? How much? What is the distance the Fed will go? Where will the rate be, say, 1 year from now today? It's only a guess.
So American yield movement may not be as sharp, but the shorter term 10-year yield can be very sharp.
And what will be the Fed rate?
Federal rate should be around 3.5.
So you are in the camp, it will stop at 3 or it will go further. Then they say the neutral rate is 3 and they have already discounted it.
So it all depends on how situation evolves and how fast the Fed does the taper. How fast even you pull out the liquidity is also, even if you keep increasing rates and have the liquidity in the market, the inflation won't visibly come down.
But they say they have started at $95 billion
Yes, but
in March.
But in pandemic, they increased their balance sheet size 3 times.
Yeah.
So
he's saying he'll cut 1 trillion at a time. It will take 3 years to.
Yes, but they went from 3 trillion to 9 trillion. Cutting 1 trillion is just only 10%. It's not nothing where pre-pandemic.
So your opinion is inflation is not here to stay. It's not going anywhere.
Yes, because everyone is scared. The Fed is scared. The US president is scared to roll back the stimulus they provided. Otherwise, who will carry the fate of getting into recession? Neither the Fed wants to be blamed, neither the US government wants to be blamed.
So you think there's a recession coming? And
so they may not allow the recession to come, but keep it warm for a very long time and keep increasing rates and do a soft landing. So if there is a soft landing, the time to slow down will take a longer time.
Anyway, thank you for your thoughts. So basically you're saying the uncertainty in the market will continue for some time to come. Thank you for watching. Be rich. If you like this content, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell notification. If you do not turn on the bell notification, you will be not notified every time we will put a video. Once again, I thank you for your support to Be Rich. I have written 2 books in English, The Alchemy of Money and Ordinary Stocks, Extraordinary Profits. These books are published by us and are ready. If you want to procure a copy, send us a message to the WhatsApp number given below and my team would respond to you. If you want an Amazon Kindle copy, you can click the link below. Finally, those who wish to consult with me can send a mail to berichenglish@gmail.com. Once again, I thank you for your support. If you like this video, press the subscribe button of my channel, hit the like button and turn on the bell notification.